Divide 828 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 2 and it is 22. 6 times 3 is 18. On subtracting, we get 4. So again this 4 is less than 6. So we put down this 8 and it is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. On subtracting, we get 0. So 828 divided by 6 is 138. So this much for today and thanks for watching.